Black women and black women only, yes, you can live out of the United States, and yes, you can move abroad and actually begin to get out of survival mode. If you're a black woman who wants to know how to move out of the United States and how to actually thrive and live abroad, this is what you need to do, and here is where you can start. First things first, go get your passport. If you do not already, please go ahead and invest in getting your passport. If you have a United States passport, you literally can travel throughout most of the countries in the world and literally be just fine. Another thing about having your US passport is that you literally can also get tourist visas and vacation in certain countries for long extended periods of time. You can literally be living into certain countries for up to a year, for 6 months, for 90 days, 30 days. So you don't even have to pick one particular place. You can begin traveling the world, experiencing different ways of life, begin that healing journey, and see what kind of country actually fits your needs. And of course, black women, if you're trying to actually move abroad, you have to do your research. You need to look up the visas that the country that you're trying to expat and digital nomad in that they offer, okay? Is it a digital nomad visa? Is it a tourist visa? Is it a working visa? You have to do your research. Like, it's not going to be a super quick process, okay? You have to dive into the expat communities. You need to dive into the people, the channels of the black women who are living in those different countries so that you can expedite that process a little bit. But you need to be doing your visa research, especially if you're someone with children or a family. But I just want to tell y'all that it is not impossible for you to move abroad if you are solo or if you have a family. There are black women who are moving out of the United States and living all over the world, and they are doing just fine, okay? Like, get your passport, do some visa research to see, and also to income. It is very, very important that you have certain streams of income. And listen, me and my best friend, we've been living out of the United States for over a year, and we are not people who just had a whole bunch of savings, whole bunch of trust fund, or sugar daddy, sugar baby, any of that stuff, okay? We literally have been able to live abroad by the grace of God and through God telling us to get into social media. So if you're a black woman who has been also debating getting into content creation, starting your own online business, this is literally the page and place for you. The only reason why me and my best friend have been able to live abroad is because of God ushering us to take the leap of faith and start our own online businesses, build our personal brands, and really begin taking social media content seriously. Okay, so if you are someone who doesn't have a degree, if you're someone who doesn't know what you can do, there are options for you. You can literally teach English in the countries that you're expatting to. You can literally go on trusted house sitters and have free stays, receive free stays in exchange for you maybe watching someone's pet or just taking care of their house. You can literally see if the country that you're expatting to allows you to also work there. Or if you want to do the route that me and my best friend have taken, we started our own online businesses and we make money through social media, and that is how we've been able to sustain ourselves while living abroad. So black women, passport, visa, income source, you will be just fine. Do your research, of course, and if you guys have any questions, be sure to check out me and my best friend's pin post, and make sure you follow and share this video with the black woman who you know wants to move out of the United States. You got this. You are not alone, and I'm so excited to see where you end up. Love you, lovelies. See y'all in the next one. Bye.